machine. Super hot. Cutting through. And waiting for that to get on.
Machine things like this.
Bam.
No, don't do that. Remember about that.
Yeah, I can go over later. Remember the shot.
So the motor is A, no Y, and that motor over there is A. Those are the up and down motors.
Why?
So that's vertical motors, and then you have your two horizontal motors. That's how it draws everything. It's like an etch-a-sketch.
Oh, you even labeled them A and Y.
Yeah. So when the machine, this is so positive is always left and right, up and down. So we named 0 where I set it over there. Remember, we moved it all the way over and called that 0. So if I want to go over 24 inches to 24, we typed G1 program, X24, Z24, F20, that's the speed. So we made it go over to here and stop. Now, to go back from here to here, we want to type in program 1, which is G1, Z0, I'm sorry, X0, Z0, F20. So that's going to go, since we're sitting at 24, that's where we're at right now, that's where it's positioned. X and Z is at 24. We want to go back, so we type that in to go to here. If we typed in G1X minus 24, Y minus 24, it would actually go all the way over here.
To the negative?
To the negative. This is negative space, this is negative space. But we don't have enough machine. It would come over to about here and hit the end and stop and go into protect. So right now we're just toggling back and forth. So enter. All Control Z does is pull up the last command or the last anything you did.
So last input it just follows.
If you fucked up and wrote G1X, and hit the wrong key, and then highlighted and started again, it'll only recall that fuck up. So it has to be a good maneuver command. That's why you got to be very careful about watching it. Control Z,
not flinging it.
Yeah,
that's
you're
pretty much what I did.
I kind of fast.
And then it went.
Yeah, and you tried it 3 times, I think, or you either held the Z down. So that's all that's doing. It's the same thing when you go up. If you wanted to go up 24 inches, it would be G1, Y24, A24, F20. And it would go up and not over. I don't know how to make it go like this. I guess if you wanted to draw a perfect 45-degree angle, you would do G1, X24, Z24, Y24, A24, and they would all move the wire at a 45 because they're going this way and this way at the same speed. I've never even tried that before.